If they catch me, it's over. I need to find her before the police does. She's mine. I told you not to interfere in my business.
She's my business. I shall revenge my father.
Welcome, family. It's your girl Mimi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can do action movies. Yeah, action movies that look so real, that looks like a human being is the one acting it, that looks like real actors are the ones acting it and not AI. Okay, so although you know it's AI, obviously it's AI, but the good thing is I used free tools. You know, as I always say on this my channel, I don't have the time to pay for subscriptions. What I do is find free updates, and whenever I see any free update, I come here to share it with my family. So I'm going to be putting you guys through the steps that I was able to use and how I was able to do that short movie action scene. It's AI, yeah. So I'm going to be teaching you how I was able to do it. No long process today. That's the good thing. I'm going to be teaching you step by step. And before then, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? We are family, you're missing. Subscribe so that you can get every free update I share on this channel. Because on this channel, I'm only going to be sharing with you accessible updates that will not be needing subscription, that will not be needing you to pay. The only thing you need is your phone and data. You don't need experience, okay? If I can do it, you can do it, okay? Let us end together on this platform. Let's learn together. Let's grow together, okay? So please subscribe, my family. So okay, I'm going to be putting you guys through this step, and the app I was able to use to generate that movie is totally free. Very free. Very, 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 very free. Okay, let's go.
So I went to ChatGPT. I told it, hello ChatGPT, I want to create a very interesting, realistic action movie that will glue people to my YouTube channel and make them subscribe. Please can you arrange everything for me, from the prompts, camera quality, dialogue, consistency. At this point I ran out of ideas. That's why I asked it to just take control. So his idea was action movie concept Shadow Run. That was his idea. A realistic emotional action movie with suspense, betrayal, street survival, and powerful visuals that can keep viewers watching to the end. A young woman named Mimi Cole accidentally witnessed a dangerous money exchange involving corrupt politicians and criminals. After they discovered her identity, she becomes the target of a deadly manhunt across the city. She must survive one night while protecting a flash drive containing evidence that could expose them all. So you can see it arranged everything from the scenes, from the prompt and everything that I needed. So we move to the next part. So we'll be using Leonardo AI to generate our image. You can see it has so many features: AI image generator, AI video generator, sign up or login. So make sure you sign up, okay? If you sign up, then this is the interface. This is how your interface would look like, okay? If you don't have an account with them, you can go ahead to create an account or use your Google to log in. So that is where we'll be putting our prompts. You can see, you can even see it has a space. You can also generate a video here, but here we'll just be doing our image here. Okay, so we minimize, go and copy our prompt. Showing you guys an example. Okay, so I will be pasting my prompt here. I want to show you the wonders of this app, and it's totally free. Then click generate. Okay, you can see how sharp and clean our image looks. Okay, very clean, no spot, very beautiful. So let's move back to our scene. Okay, we'll copy scene 1 prompt. We go there and paste it. So it's generating. Okay, you can see our results, how beautiful the image looks. You can see it. You can go ahead and save it. Okay, you will see three dots beneath the image. You click on it, then save your image. So that's what we'll be doing in every scene, copying prompts and pasting it here to generate images. We've generated the images. Let's move to the next part. This is where we are going to bring our images to reality. Okay, you can see I already inserted my image on the box. Then I went ahead to paste my dialogue there. Now it's generating. Let's see our results.
If they catch me, it's over. If they catch me, it's over. If they catch me, it's over.
We'll be doing the same thing in second part. We'll go to gallery, take our picture. You can see my picture is already there. Okay, this one I just decided to write my dialogue myself, what I wanted them to say, because I just loved the image and I just felt like, okay, let me just give them what to say. Okay, you know, you can also create what you want your image to say or do. Okay, if you don't have idea, then you can go to ChatGPT and ask for ideas.
I told you not to interfere in my business.
She's my business. I shall revenge my father.
I told you not to interfere in my business.
She's my business. I shall revenge my father.
I told you not to interfere in my business.
She's my business. I shall revenge my father.
I told you not to interfere in my business.
She's my business.
Welcome back, guys. You see, no long process, no stress. It was easy and simple. The good thing about it is that they give you free credits to generate it, okay? And you can generate as plenty as possible. You can use an account. After using the account to generate, you can still log in with another Gmail account to still generate another SIM. That's the good thing about it. Just like we're doing then with Brook, okay? And the good thing about it is that every day they give you free credit to do it, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel I'm still going to be sharing with you more updates to come, okay? Take care, family. Bye.